Imagine having a stunning dress available in different colors and sizes. But how do you effectively showcase each variant to your customers? With Variation Image Magic, it's a breeze. Sign into your Ecwid account and head to your product catalog. Here comes the magic. Click on your product. This will take you to your product details where you can change the name, description, pricing and other details. Drag the images to sort your product, or upload images if you want to add more, or can remove the existing. After doing all the amendments according to your choice, click to save the changes you did in your product. To navigate your product, open the plugin to our app, Variation Image Magic. Select the first image you want customers to see when they choose a variant, and click Done. Similarly, for other colors. So your customers can easily view images with different color options. Now that you are done with that, you can see how easy it will get for you to see the product with different color options. Variation Image Magic, unleash the power of visual variation.